Yo, we got a teriyaki rice, chicken, and shrimp bowl from a pizza shop. Let's see what it hitting on. Let's pop the dang open. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, I had they steak one before. It hit. This drink got on it, y'all can see all the peppers and onions. It got pilaf rice, I think, teriyaki sauce, chicken, mushrooms, broccoli, and teriyaki sauce. I think I said that. That was an onion. Oh, this got steak on it too. Oh, they gave me the whole shebangy. All right, let me get some rice. So this got teriyaki rice, steak. It's probably why it was so expensive. All right, we got chicken in this bite. When I got the steak one last time, steak nice and tender. Chicken. Let's get a shrimp. Just like I remember the steak, just with all the other meats with it. Good job, bite. This joint hit. And it's loaded with meat. Pause. I could barely even get any rice. Pardon me, my phone just ran out of storage, but yo, they gave me this big old, well, I broke it all apart, but it was an onion all together. I was gonna say though, I do like when they give me my onions and peppers big like this. It's much better. This place, high in rankings. Like a 9 out of 10. It's really a 10 out of 10, but I gotta really start trying more places so I can rank them properly, you feel what I'm saying? So drop some places in Boston where I should go. But y'all, see y'all later.